this session I would like to tell you how to install WordPress into our local server. Local server means I already installed my XAMPP server into my computer, so you can see that even Apache and MySQL database, Apache is a server, is running into my system. So what we need to do is, first we need to download our WordPress software, then we need to install this software into our local server. Let me see how we can do that one. So first open your server should be run into the system, so that minimize this one. After that, open new tab. There what you need to do is just type as a local host. See, after entering the local host, you would like to see like this. Just go to and open your computer C drive. There you will find XAMPP folder is there. What you need to do is just open that one. Whatever website would you like to design or develop into your local server, those files has to be inserted in this folder only. So in htdocs we couldn't inserted or loaded any files. That way it seems to be like this, we couldn't see anything. So that what I would like to do is, by using wordpress.org from get WordPress, I will download my WordPress software. See, I already downloaded that WinZip file and unread that one. So here you can see all files are having WordPress files. So I would like to copy and paste this folder from desktop to into my server local root folder, xampp xampp htdoc file folder. So there I would like to paste these files. So it seems to be like this. My files, WordPress files, are going to be installing into server. Yes, after installation the server, you will see like this. It's having an example. There you can see htdocs, you can see WordPress. Let's open in browser localhost. Just refresh this one. You will see like this. So click on this one and backslash type WordPress. Whatever folder we entered into our server, we need to type that name only, WordPress. Here I also inserted type as a WordPress. Then after that it redirected into like this. So what is happening is, we need to assign some values: database name, username and password, host, database host, table prefix, like that. So need to create first. What we have to do is, just we need to create a database name. Come into this section and come to open new tab, and there type some localhost, then backslash php my admin. So we will redirect into database section. There we will assign our database name as WordPress. For example, this is, I'm assigning database name as WordPress WP. Just I assigned as a WP. Just create this one. This database has been created successfully. Here in php my admin only we can enter that one. So this is the path we need to enter into our local server, local browser. Then you can able to create the database. Come into this section, just click let's go. Then I assigned database name as a WP, and username should be root, and password we couldn't enter any password, it should be very blank. Database host should be localhost, prefix should be WP underscore. Just click on submit. Then you can able to see run the installation. Now we are installing the WordPress files. So here you can see, here in our WordPress database you couldn't find single file because we couldn't created any files. But now we link this software, whatever files we installed here in this local XAMPP htdocs folder, these all files and database post pages all are installing into our database known as WP named database. Just come into and run the installation, and see here you need to assign WordPress admin login details only. So the whatever I am entering, this is demo. This is, for example, I am entering demo website, and username is a Mohan. Here I would like to enter some Mohan at 8989 and 89. This is my password, and I would like to enter some my email ID. So this website should be visible on search engine. So I enable this option also. See, this is the login details. Username is a Mohan and password is a Mohan at 808989. So my website name is a demo website, or I will assign as a Mohan. Okay, let's install the WordPress into local server only. So now we are installing our WordPress software into local server. We are installing only WordPress software. We are not installing theme, we are not installing any plugin. Okay, so what I would like to do is just I'm saving this password for my browser. Remember, just save, and I would like to click on login. So our software has been installed. So just take another browser and come into this section. Here I would like to type as a localhost and WordPress. See, you would like to see like this, whatever WordPress I installed, this is the default WordPress theme has been activated. WordPress software also installed, and that software may have default WordPress themes. The themes are developed by wordpress.org, so that default theme has been activated, and at the same time WordPress also installed. Let me see, these are the login details. See, I assigned my login password as a Mohan at 8989 at 89, and here you can see username is a Mohan. So that this is the login details. So this is the front end website, this is the back end website. Let me see, is these login details are working or not. Just click on this login. What is happening is now you can able to see like this. So we entered into backend dashboard. All the functionalities are coming very we log in into dashboard. All functionalities are having very good appearance, and you can see front end website also. Let me find the database. So here we will find some more files. Just refresh the browser, then here in this the WordPress database you will see plenty of posts and pages are there. These are the tables and database tables having some data. Here we will some data will stored by using database. Okay, this is the process to installing the WordPress into our local server. Then in upcoming classes we will discuss about how to install WordPress free theme and how to customize remaining topics. Okay, please keep my classroom and learn more. Thank you.